The burning sensation in your nostrils and brain when you accidentally inhale water is due to the irritation and activation of nerve endings in your nasal passages and sinuses. Here's a breakdown of why it happens. Irritation of sensitive nerve endings. Your nasal passages are lined with mucous membranes that are rich in sensory nerve endings, particularly from the trigeminal nerve. This nerve detects irritants and transmits signals to your brain, which you perceive as a burning sensation. Water, especially if it's chlorinated, salty, or contains other impurities, disrupts the balance of the mucus layer in your nose. This imbalance irritates the nerves and causes discomfort. Nasal membrane reaction. When water enters your nose, it disrupts the normal mucus layer that protects the nasal lining. This exposure makes the nerve endings more sensitive, amplifying the burning feeling. If the water's salt concentration is different from your body's, like in pool or tap water, it can cause an osmotic imbalance, further irritating the nasal tissue. Pressure and sinus discomfort. Water can travel into your sinuses, causing additional pressure and discomfort. The sensation can feel like it's burning deep in your head or brain due to the sensitive tissues inside the sinus cavities. Why it feels like it's in your brain. The trigeminal nerve also innervates areas near your forehead and around your eyes. When it's activated by nasal irritation, your brain may interpret the sensation as coming from inside your head or brain. How to alleviate the sensation? Blow your nose. This helps clear the water and reduces irritation. Use warm saline water. Rinsing with saline water can soothe the nasal lining. Stay calm. Panicking may cause you to inhale more water, worsening the irritation. The sensation is unpleasant but temporary. Once the water is expelled, the irritation usually subsides within minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content.